Hi there, my name is Sasha and Dashing Axe Workshop is with you. This time we will try a new trend for us, steampunk. And our friends and countrymen, Workshop SteelWood, will help us. This is their profile and they perfectly understand it. This will be cooperative project on making an axe. We'll make a wooden part and SteelWood will make a metal one. The axe will be small of the size of camping one. That's why I decided not to invent bicycle, and as a sample I took my old axe, which has recommended itself greatly. We start with transferring the form of axe handle to dry oak board. The work with the form is finished, and this is what we have. Of course, all this will look more awesome in dark color. Actually, we will do so. The work is almost done, but what steampunk is without gears? With the help of wire nip burner, I make small deepening in which I put the edges of the gears. Due to this, the product looks like a single mechanism. To make gears motionless in their places, I make a rim of hot glue and pour the niche with resin. Some small details, finishing touches, and finally soak the finished handle with tan oil. The axe traveled more than 1000 kilometers and came back to us, but in a completed form. You can watch how metal part was created on SteelWood Workshop channel. The link is in description. Be sure to write what you think about such cooperative projects and the collaboration with which channel you would like to see in the future.